YT. Man, I'm finna fix my gal Q50, man. She had a little mishap. I had to cut the access panel so I could open the door up, and to take the front bolts out the front right there. As you see, ain't nothing bent. Everything back good. I got the new doors already. And this right here just a little crease, but it's at the same time, this exactly how it's made. I can go around and show you on the other door. See that? It already got that contour to it. So we're gonna be good on that end. I'm working on now. I'm working on the dog leg. This was always smushed in. I don't know if I got a picture of it, but I beat it out. I'm finna get in and finesse it. I still got another dog leg. I'm probably gonna end up eventually getting and cutting out, but I just want to see how much I can do before I get to that point. Cause like I said, I got it back to line up with this right here. I just gotta get this screw. I gotta bend all this back in so all this can line back up. I just put these little things in here because I was using my palm, kind of like pushing it in, trying to see what's going on. I'm gonna still work it. Still gonna get those little dents and stuff out. But like I said, all this was just pushed all the way in, but I brought it back out. So what I'm trying to do now is trying to get this crinkle up out of here. I ain't got no dollar. If I had the dollar, I think I'd be all right. But I'm gonna use what I got and see how far I can get until I get to the store. I'm gonna go get the whole little kit. But like I say, if I don't want to go through all the body work, I just go back to the yard where I took the doors off it and just go back and cut that out. But I'm gonna try to see how much I can work. That's just how I am. I like to do it like that. So y'all just hold tight, man. I'm finna get ready to do a full transformation on it. Route. The car been painted probably 2 months now, and we didn't get a chance to wet sand and buff it. But she was actually saying she really didn't like the paint job because she said it looked too much like a man car. But you know what I'm saying, I liked it though. I liked it for her, you know what I'm saying, it was clean. But yeah, we finna get ready to go all the way in on this. We already got the wrap, because that's what she was gonna do to it anyway before she took her old wrap off. But nevertheless, man, I'm finna go ahead and get to it. You know what I'm saying? Try to get it back to like this, and let's just see what the kid can do. So y'all just roll with me, man, and while I get this arm out the way, and I'm gonna go ahead and try to do what I can do. Because I still got a roof job to do later on, so I'm gonna try to get as much as I can done before I start that appointment. But y'all just hold tight, man. One touch custom, man. We finna show y'all what we finna do with this. So y'all just stay locked and loaded, man. One. You good, just come on back. Hold on, let me move these wheels. Alright, YT. From the last video, you seen me fucking with the body work. Now we already started to wrap a few things on the car. We got the hood, both fenders, and we had to order some more for the front bumper and the back bumper. But we was thinking that we could get a bumper out of this right here, so we can see now when we cut this arch out to the quarter panel, and trying to see if we can get enough of that. But we got a door already off. I had to shave it down so it won't be rubbing against the fender. We paid it close to $3,000 for the paint job. As soon as the guy opened up the door, it peeled some of the paint up all the way down. And when we was in Alabama, it started getting all white because the car got white. It's white up underneath, so you can see everything. So I shaved it down. So when we opening up the wrap, the first wrap job that we had on here did the same thing, but it wasn't as bad. So taking care of that. Just got to do the body work on the other side that I told y'all. All I got to do is swipe it. I pulled it out, and the other two doors over there up under the cover. Then we wrapped that probably Monday and Sunday. So that was one of the first things we wrapped. And the hood took 5 hours, I'm not gonna lie. And, you know, we wasted one sheet of wrap on it, but my wife figured it out, she figured it out, and we both came together, joined as a team, and we got it knocked out. So, wife and husband wrap job, man. So, that's it. And we're gonna leave the top black too, so. But yeah, that's what I just want to show y'all real quick. So I'm gonna sign y'all back in. Y'all just stay locked and loaded, man. One Touch Customs, you hear about it.
It's good.
Yo, YT. All right. So what I'm doing right now is just doing the building and building process right now, trying to build everything back up after pulling all the damage and stuff out. Swiping. That's all I'm doing right now. So now I'm about to get ready and turn y'all back on, because I'm about to put the doors on. So I'm just trying to get everything lined up right, because I need to do it to get all my arch and stuff right. You know, I'm not worried about the inside as of right now, because I don't think it's gonna affect my door closing. But yeah, that's what I got going on right now, man. I'm gonna try to get the door put on so I can try to get it lined up perfect. And I'm gonna cut y'all back on, at least when I got the door back on there. And y'all just keep on following me with this build. So I'm gonna sign y'all out right now, and I'll cut y'all back on in 1 second. All right, YT. Almost to the end stage with the wrap, man. Y'all remember the dog leg, got that sorted out. Wrapping it. Just a quick little video. Show y'all what she looking like. To the end process. Pretty old chrome satin pink. So at the end, you know with the wrap, they're always gonna get some little lift up spots, like under the hood and all that. Gonna take wrap glue, heat it up real good, tuck everything and have everything complete.
Cut it out.
And yeah, I can cut it out too. So, but yeah, I just wanted to bring y'all the video, man, because it's probably about to be the end, and until I'm gonna show another video with the car out the street, washed up, wheels back on, downtown somewhere in traffic. That's gonna be the video I'm gonna hold y'all to it. So yeah, I just wanted to show y'all this thing real quick, man. I just wanted to post something real quick, keep my viewers entertained, let them know what I got going on a daily basis, and that's it. So I'm signing out for now, man. Q50 Nation, we out. One Touch, OTC, baby. YT, yes sir. After the damage, man. Y'all see it. Oh yeah. She very beautiful. I'm not even gonna hold you. Couldn't pick the better color. Look at that big face we got on there. Couldn't pick a better color. Don't even look like she's never been wrecked. Oh yeah. One Touch Customs, OTC LLC, man. We out of here. And I'm signing out. I'm not even gonna hold your time. Oh my God. Oh yeah, I'm out.